In this video, I explain what is prime movers and various types of the prime movers. So first we understand what is the prime movers, and then after we study types of the prime movers. Prime mover is a device which use natural sources to convert into the mechanical energy or a useful work. Means it is a one device in which we supply the input is a natural source, and what is the output? Output is the mechanical energy or some useful work. So here I draw one simple diagram. So this is our one device. Device name is the prime movers, in which we supplied the natural sources. Okay, what are the natural sources that we discuss later on? Okay, so in a prime movers, as a input we supplied the natural sources, and as the output, that is the mechanical energy is coming. Okay, means it is a one mechanical device which produce the mechanical energy, and this mechanical energy is further converted into the electrical energy in generator as per these requirements. Okay, so now we understand what is the natural sources. So most of the energy comes from the natural sources, means the energy sources available in the natures. Okay, like as a coal, petroleum. Petroleum means that's the petrol, diesels, kerosene, various gases are come in this petroleum category. And the natural gases means in a prime mover we supply the coal as an input, either we supply the petrol as an input, either we supply the diesel as an input. Natural sources means also we supply the solar, also we supply the water, also we are able to supply the winds or a tidal energy. Okay, that we discuss in a types of the prime movers. Means input is the natural source, output is the mechanical energy. That is a simple definitions of the prime movers. Now we discuss about the types of the prime movers. Okay, so basically these prime movers are divided in a two category. First one is the thermal. Okay, so here I written that is a thermal. Okay, and another one is the non-thermal category. Okay, so here I just explain you the basic meaning of the thermal. What is the meaning of thermal? Thermal means they are related with the heat energy. Okay, means in a thermal prime movers the input energy are at the higher temperatures. They are called as the thermal prime movers. Okay, and non-thermal means the input energy are at the atmosphere temperature, means no heat energy as an input. Means in this thermal category they all are at the higher temperatures. Means in a thermal the heat energy is supplied as an input and they are converted in mechanical energy, and in a non-thermal that is a three type, means we are not supplying the heat energy. So first we understand the three types of the non-thermal. Non-thermal means that is a no heat energy is supplied. Okay, so first one is the hydel energy. Hydel means it is the hydro energy. Input is the hydro energy. Okay, means on the rivers we make the dam, and in the dam we store the waters, and this water energy is used to produce the electricity or a mechanical energy. It is called as the hydel energy, and we know that in a hydro power plant the water temperatures are atmospheres. That's why they are categorized in a non-thermal category. Second one is the tidal energy. So this tidal is coming in a sea. Okay, so when the tide is come in a sea, we use the electricity. Means we produce we put the turbine in a sea, and when the tide is coming, at that time we produce the mechanical energy. And this water temperature on the sea is also atmosphere. That's why they are categorized as a non-thermal. And the third one is the wind energy. Means by using the windmill we produce the mechanical energy. Means input energy is the wind and output energy is the mechanical. So wind are also at the atmosphere temperature. That's why they are categorized in a non-thermal category. Now in a thermal there is a number of type is there. Okay, so first type is the fuel. So as a fuel we supply the petrol, diesel, gas. Okay, second one is the nuclear power plants. So in a nuclear power plant we use the different types of the nuclear fuels. Okay, third one is the geothermals. Geothermal means the heat energy coming from the earth. Okay, so like as the hot springs are that, volcanoes are that, they are called as the geothermal sources. Next one is the bioenergy. Means from the different agriculture waste or a human waste we produce the energy. It is called as the bioenergy. And third one is the solar energy. So by using the various types of the solar equipments we produce the mechanical energy. It is considered as the solar energy source. Now out of these five types, these fuel are further categorized in a two category. First one is the EC engine. EC means external combustion engine. Okay. Now what is the meaning of external combustion? So combustion of the fuel carried out outside the engine, that is called as the external combustion. E means external, C means combustion. So combustion is carried out outside the engine, it is called as the external combustion engine. Second type is the IC engine. I means internal, C means combustion. So combustion of the fuel is carried out outside the engine. Sorry, not outside, it is carried out inside the engines. Okay, that is a IC engine, means internal combustion engine. Combustion is carried out inside the cylinder, it is called as the IC engine. So our bike and the car have a IC engines. Okay, so in a bike or a car we fill the petrol or the diesels. Okay, and these petrol and diesels are directly supplied in the engines, and inside these engine cylinders the combustion of this petrol and diesel is carried out, it is called as the internal combustion engines. Okay, so in external combustion engine there is a three types is there. Steam engine is there, second one is the steam turbine is there, and third one is the gas turbine or a closed cycles. Okay, so in earlier times our train is runs by using the steam engines. Okay, so in lots of movie you already see the scenes, the coal are supplied in a furnace. Okay, in some of the movie of the Bollywoods you see that types of the scenes. One of the persons are supplying the coal in a train. Okay, it means they are supplying the coal to the furnace. So when the coal are burned, the heat energy is produced, and this heat energy is supplied to the water, and the water is converted into the steam. Means combustion is going on outside the engine, and then after steam is directly supplied to the engine, and this steam is produced the mechanical. And same way the steam turbine is runs and the gas turbine is also run. Means in a gas turbine the various types of the gas is used instead of the steam. In internal combustion engines, again there is a two type, that is a internal combustion engine means petrol engine, diesel engines, gas engine. They are considered as the internal combustion engine, means petrol, diesels and gas are supplied inside the engine cylinders and they are burned inside the engine cylinder. That's why it is called as the internal combustion engine. And second types in a IC engine is the gas turbine, that is a here mentioned open cycles, and in external combustion engine here the closed cycle word is mentioned. So these are the basic types of the prime movers. So thank you for watching this video. If you learned something, then like the video and subscribe my channels for watching the more video related to the BME or other subject of the mechanical engineering. For the BME, the various chapter link is provided in a card as well as in the playlist. And for watching the more videos or for the more chapters, subscribe my channels.